Hello and welcome. Today we are going to practice English by having real-life conversations. This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to speak English naturally, understand daily situations, and feel confident talking to anyone. We will go step by step, using simple sentences, short phrases, and easy questions and answers. You can listen, repeat, and practice speaking along. By the end of this lesson, you will feel ready to start real conversations in English. Let's start with greetings. Greeting someone is the first step in any conversation. You can say, "Hello, how are you?" The answer can be, "I am good." "Thank you. How are you?" This is simple, polite, and natural. Try repeating it aloud. You can also say, "Hi, how's it going?" And the other person can reply, "Good, thank you. And you?" Greetings are short, easy, and the first way. To make a conversation smooth. Next, we talk about introducing yourself. If you meet someone new, you can say, "My name is Sarah. What is your name?" The other person can say, "My name is John. Nice to meet you." Then you can reply, "Nice to meet you too." This is very common in schools, workplaces, and casual meetings. Remember to smile and speak slowly. Repeat these sentences until they feel natural. Now, let's practice asking simple questions. Questions are important to keep a conversation going. For example, "Where are you from?" The reply can be, "I am from the United States. And you?" Another common question is, "What do you do?" The answer could be, "I am a student." And you? Questions help you learn more about people and practice listening carefully. Try asking your friend these questions and reply naturally. Next, we practice talking about daily activities. You can say, "What do you do every day?" The answer can be, "I wake up at 7 a.m., have breakfast, go to work, and come home at 6 p.m. You can reply, "That is good. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. and study English for 1 hour." Talking about daily routines helps you use verbs, time words, and simple phrases in English. Repeat these sentences to feel more confident. Now, let's practice asking for directions. This is very useful in real life. You can say, "Excuse me, where is the bank?" The reply can be, "The bank is next to the supermarket. Go straight and turn left." You can also ask, "How far is it?" And the reply could be, "It is about 5 minutes on foot." These phrases are simple and help you communicate in cities, airports, or shopping places. Next, we practice shopping conversations. If you go to a store, you can say, "How much is this?" The reply can be, "It is $10. You can also ask, "Do you have this in a different size?" Or, "Can I pay by card?" Shopping phrases are very common and easy to use. Practice these with friends or even in your home for role play. Now, let's practice ordering food. At a restaurant, you can say, "I would like a sandwich, please." The reply from the waiter could be, "Sure. Do you want anything to drink?" You can say, "Yes, water, please." After eating, you can say, "Thank you. The food was very good." These simple sentences help you feel comfortable in restaurants or cafes. Next, we talk about asking about hobbies. You can say, "What do you like to do in your free time?" The reply could be, "I like reading and watching movies. And you?" You can say, "I enjoy listening to music and going for walks." Talking about hobbies helps you express your interests and find common topics to talk about. Repeat these sentences until you can say them easily without thinking. Finally, let's practice closing a conversation politely. You can say, "It was nice talking to you." The reply could be, "Yes, I enjoyed it. See you soon." You can also say, "Have a good day," or "Take care." These phrases make your conversations polite and friendly. Remember, closing a conversation is as important as starting it.